Hi there, it's Jen, and is a new kit that I got. Now I got two of them, so I've already made up some of the cards, but I thought I would show you the other one fresh, and then I'll show you some of the made up cards. So all these little kits, they come in a nice little box. They come often with an ink spot, so this is just a mini version of the ink pad. Super cute. They're very easy to open. I think I've got one right here. Here we go. Here's one, and it's not open. Oh yeah, it's open. Ta-da. You just open it like that. I usually will write on the name of the ink on the bottom, just so that if the lid does come apart, you can still tell what it is. So the first time you get, that's not what I want to say. That was about paper pumpkin. Here, let me dump this out. So this is what you get, a little package like this with the stamp set and the ink, like I said. And then inside the package, this is where I was going with this, there's a block. So it's a D block, which is one of the most common sizes. So all the parts of the stamp set will fit on that block. So that's kind of nice. It comes with any adhesives you need. So these are double-sided foam. And then it comes with, if there's embellishments, so this one's got a little bit of twine. And then it comes with envelopes. So they're usually printed, which is very pretty. So there they are. Nice. And then whatever you need to make the card. So this is kind of a unique shape, which I'll show you the finished version in a minute. But again, pre-printed, and then the folding lines are there. You're going to stamp the greetings. You're going to punch out any extra little bits here and attach them all together. And this is called, oh, well, it would help if I show you the most important part here, which is the instructions. This one's called Bunch of Thanks Kit. And so it shows you the picture of the finished things, and then it shows you step by step what to do. And it's all visual, which is pretty awesome. So it says put three dimensionals, stamp this, add the twine. So it tells you exactly what to do, how long to cut it. They even give you a ruler on the side. Pretty much the only thing you need to add is like a pair of scissors, and everything else is there. So very cute. And I'll just show you a couple of cards that I made with this. Sometimes I vary up the cards, but for this one I didn't, because they were super cute just the way they were. Let me just drop today's product all on the floor. Okay, so here, so look how cute that looks. So I'll leave one out like that. Again, super cute envelope. And then you pull them out. You can see there's different versions of this. So when you pull off this little string here, and then there's thanks a bunch. And then you can put whatever you want on the inside. So I put a little thank you. But how cute is that? I thought it was so adorable. So adorable. And then you can put that string back on there. So I just wanted to show you that.